Hello everyone, my name is Arkan. I'm CEO and founder of ABN Finsights Academy, Melbourne, Australia. This video has been recorded as a part of micro-learning program run by ABN Finsights Academy. And today's knowledge bite is benchmarking. ABN Finsights Academy acts as a learning and development academy for CFOs and senior financial executives across the globe, in Australia, UK, Middle East, Singapore, and Canada in part. What is benchmarking? Benchmarking is the methodical comparison of organizational processes and performance with industry's best to create new standards and improve processes. Initially, US manufacturers started doing this when they realized that Japanese competitors were taking away their market share. Historically, Xerox being the first large corporation to benchmark, which has been done in the late 1970s, when like many other competitors, it was feeling the competitive heat in the industry. It took all the key parts of the business from production to sales and measured them against their counterparts in other companies, globally and at home. Another famous early benchmarking exercise was done by International Motor Vehicle Program, which ran from 1985 to 90, coordinated at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and involving US, European and Japanese automobile manufacturers. The purpose was very simple: to establish why the Japanese are performing so much better than everyone else. The conclusion led to adoption of a strategy called lean manufacturing thereafter, which is a different subject altogether, a different concept and a strategy. There are 4 types of benchmarking. Number 1, the internal benchmarking within the organization between different units. Then we have the competitive benchmarking, where we benchmark operational performance with direct competitors in the market and in the industry. Then we have the functional benchmarking, which involves the benchmarking similar process with broader range of industry. Then the generic benchmarking to compare operations between unrelated industries. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and continue following up by subscribing our channel and visit our website for further insights. Till then, bye. Thank you.